what did I do, or how did I lose this 6 kg? Just like I always tell my clients, and I'm telling you also, the first thing you need to do before embarking on any weight loss journey or any fasting journey is to... Hello, beautiful people, and happy new year to everyone watching me for the first time in year 2023. You are all so welcome. My name is Judith Obiefele, and I'm your host on this channel, Live Healthy with Judith. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the amazing journey of how I lost 6 kg in 10 days. Basically, as a lifestyle coach, a nutrition expert, and also a fitness person, I've had clients coming to tell me their hurdles and challenges of what they faced in trying to lose weight and all of the rudiments, the routines that they go through. But I just said, let me go on this journey based on some, reasons that are personal. So this journey was both a Daniel fast journey and also a personal journey to lose 6 kg in 10 days, which I did for the space of 2 weeks. So before I proceed further on this video, please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, hit the subscribe button and join this healthy family. We would love to have you. And if you're a returning subscriber, we all love you and we thank you for always coming through for us. So please do not also forget to hit the thumbs up button to give us a like for this video. So quickly, what did I do, or how did I lose this 6 kg? Just like I always tell my clients, and I'm telling you also, the first thing you need to do before embarking on any weight loss journey or any fasting journey is to make a decision of why you want to do this. I basically had my reason for doing it because irrespective of the fact that I wasn't looking very, big on the outside, I wasn't looking very robust or fat, but I knew I needed to drop my weight by some amount. So I needed to drop by 6 kg. I didn't want to have so much of fat in my abdominal region. It's a very delicate spot in your body where you have lots of organs like your kidney, your liver, your pancreas, and for we women, sometimes the uterus too can also be affected. So I just didn't want that to develop into something. So I was actually conscious of the reasons and I was determined to do it. So after making that decision, I told myself now it was time. And I did that exactly in November 2022. That was like a few months ago, because this is a new year and this is like January 2023. So it was just the end of that, November 2022, and then I embarked on it. So the next thing I did was that I prepared my routine. Just like normal, weight loss program goes, you're going to have a routine. So there was a daily plan of what to take and how it was going to be taken. I'm going to be showing some of the fruits that I just did. It was not a fancy kind of one, but that was just the fruits we were eating during the fast. I couldn't grab all of them. I couldn't take the photos of all the fruits and then the salads and all the rest that we took, but it was basically customized around just eating fruits and vegetables. So it was a mixed blend of them. And then the next thing I did was to schedule the times for the exercise that I'm going to be embarking on. And then I scheduled my exercise to be the last thing before I go to bed. Now, you may do yours in 2 ways, whereby you do it morning and then evening before you go to bed. But I didn't have the luxury of morning, so I just planned it to have it in the evening after, devotion, and I was ready to go to bed. Now, let's go into what I was taking and how I was taking it. We all know that there are 24 hours in a day, and especially if you're the kind that goes to work, you know that for the 8 active hours of that day, you're going to be working, and if your work is tedious, you're going to be losing so much glucose, and then you might want to feel hungry quickly. So apart from the juices and then the smoothies that I was taking, apart from the apples, the watermelons, because I just chop them and mix them as fruit salad and then I just take it. Apart from that, I was also taking bananas. So bananas were like the fruits that stabilized all of those glucose loss and everything, but it was not on the excess. We just slice about 3 fingers or 4 fingers of bananas into the plate, and then we combine it with the fruit. This is so as to balance all of those glucose that you might need and all of those healthy sugars. And then we also added nuts. Nuts were like part of the meal. So it was fruits, bananas included into it, and a side of nuts. So you can also, replicate the same. And I can tell you that if you are going to lose weight, you definitely need to have the balance of all of the 6 classes of food that your body needs to function. If not, before the third day, you are going to break down. So you need to also take it in the right portion. And because I knew I was going for a long period, which is 10 days, 10 days looked so long. So this is what I did next. Rather than going all the way straight into that 10 days. So this program was divided into 2. So from the Monday till the Friday, it was all, fruit, veggies. Like I said, I was doing exercise every night. And this is not high intensity, workout, but it was just, the normal workout that are strategic. I was doing a lot of crunches. I was doing a lot of sit-up. I was doing a lot of Russian twist. You can browse all of those exercises that I've just mentioned with your phone to see how they are being done. Make sure you rest every 30 seconds interval before you proceed into the next rep so that you can catch your breath. And I believe that way you're going to, be able to finish the workout without giving up. So this is as easy as it sounds. You just need to give the benefit of a doubt to this thing. Immerse your whole will into it, and I believe that you're going to get your result. The most interesting part of it is that you have the luxury of eating those fruits and vegetables at any time of the day. Actually, why you need to eat them any time of the day is because they have a very low time frame of digesting, and they simply just digest. So with that, I believe that your journey to weight loss or losing the amount of weight you want to will be very, very effective and successful. And please do not forget, like I said, to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any comments or you want to ask me anything that you feel, whether you're going on a weight loss journey that you feel you would like to know. And let me also put this disclaimer, please. Before you begin on a weight loss journey, make sure you see a physician. You confirm from a physician so as to know the limit of what you can take and what you cannot take. It is very important. And here on this channel, you have everything you need to live a healthy life. So please, if you want to have the benefit of all of these things, do well to watch the previous videos that we have shared on natural remedies, on healthy recipe, and so many other tips here on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and please do well to share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join this healthy family. Until I see you again in my next video, do stay healthy and blessed. Bye.